Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy an N8n Json file to a new workflow. This is incredibly useful when you want to replicate existing automation workflows or transfer configurations between different N8n instances without having to rebuild everything from scratch. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to n8n.io in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, enter your login credentials to access your account. After signing in, you'll be automatically directed to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your workflows. From here, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your new workflow. After clicking that button, you'll be taken directly to the N8n Workflow Editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that the editor presents you with two different options for creating your workflow. The first option is to build manually, which you'll see labeled as the Add First Step option. The second is to build with AI, which allows the system to help you construct your workflow intelligently. It's worth noting that the AI builder is typically enabled by default, so you'll see that option highlighted when you first enter the editor. Now here's where we get to the core of copying your JSON file. To import an existing JSON file into your N8n workflow, direct your attention to the top right portion of the editor screen. You'll see a three-dot icon, also known as the More Options menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several additional options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Import from File and click on it. This is the gateway to bringing in your pre-existing workflow configuration. Once you click Import from File, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This window allows you to browse through your computer's directories to find the JSON file you want to import. Navigate through your folders until you locate the specific JSON file you wish to copy into your N8n workflow editor. When you've found the right file, simply click on it to select it, then click the Open button. The moment you do this, N8n will automatically process the JSON file and construct a complete visual representation of the workflow. All the nodes, connections, and configurations from your JSON file will be instantly recreated in your editor, giving you a fully functional workflow without any manual setup required. And that's it. You've successfully imported your JSON file into a new N8n workflow, saving yourself considerable time and effort in the process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.